How to enable or disable camera shot suggestions on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, in here, tap on the more button or the quick controls button and then tap on settings. Now in camera settings, go down, then tap on shot suggestions. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now here side, get on-screen guides to help you line up great shot. So after that, you can tap on the back key, and when you are taking a photos, so sometimes when you point up at the landscape mode, there is a shot suggestions right there. So if I move in, you can see that circles kind of suggest you where you should be pointing your camera at, like that. And that is your camera shot suggestions and how you can turn it on or switch it off on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.